Sup guys, here we are in a new video. In this video we're going to be discussing about this wireless mouse and keyboard to see if this is worth buying or not. Let's dive into it. So actually I got this wireless mouse and keyboard weeks ago. I've been using this for weeks. It's working well, but the only problem is that you are not getting the best experience when typing or using the mouse, and that's because of the price. It's really okay but not the best. So earlier I've made a full video unboxing and reviewing this. If you want to check out, this is the video. Make sure to click on it. But let's talk about the design. I bought the mouse and keyboard in color white. It's looking amazing. I want it to match with my headphones and my deck speakers, so I bought this one in color white. And also this is very thin, like the mouse and keyboard isn't bulky, so it's perfect that way. And also when it comes to size, this isn't very big, so it doesn't take too much space on your desk pad. The mouse and keyboard isn't heavy at all. It's very lightweight. So you connect the mouse and keyboard using your Bluetooth. You are going to use this. So once you connect this to your computer, once you put it in your USB port, it automatically connects with the mouse and keyboard. The connection is very quick and responsive, so there's no second delay when typing or using the mouse. They are both very responsive. I respect the mouse and keyboard for that. Still, when we were talking about the design, this looks very clean, honestly. I really like the design. Everything here is neat. For the price, it's very well worth it. It costs around $15 or $20. So I rechecked the price, it's $17 exactly. So I think for such price, for a very good mouse and keyboard which is wireless, a very good design, lightweight, very responsive, and also looking good, I think it's very well worth it. Mostly I use the mouse and keyboard for typing or video editing, even though my computer's keyboard feels much better, but I kind of use it sometimes. So if you are just someone who wants to buy a regular mouse and keyboard, this is a very good option for you. But if you have enough money, you can go for the Logitech. There are a lot of mouse and keyboards, or you can go for the Razer. There are a lot of mouse and keyboards there. I'll leave links in the description of this video if you want to check out. But this is manageable for the price. This is manageable. It's amazing. I'll keep using this for maybe 1 to 2 months, but I'll check. But I will check if there's a better one, so we can unbox and make a review about it. I think we are going to stop here. That's all for the video. Make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this, and until then, I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Yes.